World War I, which lasted from 1914 to 1918, was the most devastating conflict in human history. This war not only reshapes the political map of Europe, but also left a profound impact of the global economy, society, and culture. In the video, we will explore Europe during World War, from the cause to cause of the war to its lasting consequences. World War I was triggered by a complex set of factors: rivalry among European nations, particularly over imperialism and arms race, created escalating tension. Political alliance like a Triple Alliance, German, Austria-Hungary, and Ottoman Empire, and the Triple Entente like France, Britain, and Russia, further intensified the situation. However, the immediate trigger was the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary by a Serbian nationalist on June 28, 1940. This event set off a chain reaction to eventually engulfed all the Europeans involved.
World War I began with Germany's invasion of Belgium and France. The Battle of the Marne in 1914 halted the German advance, but the war soon turned into a brutal trench warfare. The Western Front became a static battlefield where both sides fought in muddy, death-filled trenches. The Battle of Verdun and the Somme became symbols of the war's brutality, with casualties reaching hundreds of thousands. Additionally, this war marked the first large-scale use of chemical weapons. Mustard gas and chlorine became deadly tools that caused immense suffering for soldiers.
In 1917, the United States decided to join Allies after German submarine attack of American merchant ships and the discovery of the Zimmermann telegraph, which revealed Germany planned to ally with Mexico against the U.S. The entry of the U.S. provided a significant boost to the Allies, who ultimately won the war after the 100 Days Offensive in the 1918. The war ended with an armistice on November 11, 1918. This moment is known as the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month, and it symbolizes the end of one of the deadliest conflicts in history.
World War I left behind unprecedented destruction. Approximately 17 million people died, and many European cities were left in ruins. Four great empires, Germany, Austria-Hungary, Russia, and the Ottoman Empire, collapsed, giving rise to new nations in Central and Eastern Europe. The Treaty of Versailles in 1919 demanded that Germany pay war reparations and reduce its military strength. However, this treaty created dissatisfaction and became one of the triggers for World War II. World War I was not just a military conflict but also a turning point in world history. It transformed the political, social, and economic landscape of Europe and left a deep trauma for future generations. Yet, from this destruction emerged hope for peace and international cooperation. We must learn from history to avoid repeating such tragedies. Let us remember the victims of war and commit to building a more peaceful world.